morning, everyone. Today we're going to start the Siman Reish Nun Dalet Seif Arukh. We want to talk about the concept of cooking or finishing the cooking during Shabbos. So we have first cooking and we have roasting. We have meat, strong meat. We have chicken ugdi that it's easier, gets quick, easier. You have pieces and have a full piece, complete. So let's see the halacha. אף על פי שבשר חי מותר להשותו, even though a raw meat, you're allowed to leave it on the fire. Why? Because we say in his mind he leaves it because he knows that it's going to take a long time, it could be the whole night. There's no point to store the coals. That's only when you're cooking. Ava bitzli. Tzli is different. Yeah? Tzli is different. אבל בצלי שאצל האש אסור להניחו סמוך לחשיכה. שממהר להתבשל ועד לחתויים. It's getting cooked quick, and we're afraid maybe he's going to store it. בבשר שורז, that's only meat, of an ox, or is, אבל בשר גדיבו, that's chicken, something that it's easier. שמנותחים לאיברים, מותר, that's a lot. Why? We're not afraid maybe he's going to store it. שאם יחטא בגחלים, יתחרר, if you're going to store it, you're going to get burnt. פירוש שיצא מגדר הצליב, ונכנס בגדר נשרף, then it's going to be burnt, and nobody wants to eat burning meat. They want to eat good meat, cooked well done. הבשר, now we have a different case. הבשר שלא צריך אלא חמימות האש בלבד, but it means that you just need a little bit of warmness. ואם לא בתנור, אם הוא בתנור ותח פיו בתית, if he close it complete, means that there's no problem that it's going to open, because by him opening, the wind is going to come, it's going to ruin the meat. בין גדי ועוף שלמים has to be a complete. בין בשר שורז מותר. דלא יחשן לחיטוי. Over there we're not afraid, maybe it's going to store it. שאם בא לפתוח התנור ולחטות, תיכנס הרוח ויצטנן התנור, ויתקשה הבשר, ויפסיד, it's going to become, the meat will become hard if you open the oven, and then it's going to lose the meat. Meat, you like to eat it well done, right, Aaron? To make meat good, you have to know how to do it.
If you have done it, yes, well done.
Yeah.
If you have the Rosh Hashiva, medium.
Yeah. Hagoy. You have the RAMA. ואין חילוק בזה בין אם הוא חי לגמרי, or if it's got, it's raw, complete, או שנתבשל קצת, or it got cooked a little bit. וכל זמן שחלל הגוף שלם, if it's completed, אף על פי means even if you cut the head and the feet, so that's considered complete chicken. אף על פי שאין עליו ראשו קרב, מקרה שולם. יש, so over there we more maker. ויש מחמיר ושרים בתנור תוח, בתית הכל שורסה בי במחמיר, and they hold that if it's an oven that it's closed, it's always muto. That means it has to be closed with teeth, to be closed complete, and sealed. ועל גבי האש, שהוא מגולה, הכל אסור. But anything that it's open, everything is forbidden. It's black and white. Or everything is allowed, or everything is forbidden. ובתנור שפיו מכוסה, אלא שאינו תוח בתית, אז יש לחלק בין גדי ועוף לשאר בשר, כדרך שנתבהר. ואורך אינו כסבו ראשון. Anyhow. Comes out like that. Let's we'll make the difference in the mechaber and the RAMA. Yeah? We're talking about putting in the oven, tzli, roasted on the fire of a tanur. So the difference is like that. Is the difference between putting it in a pot, cook it, or if you roast it. So here we have the machlokes, the mechaber and the RAMA. By tzli, let's divide it. We have the tzli, yeah? So according to the mechaber, we have two ateirim by roasting it. If you put it mamish before Shabbos, roast it mamish before Shabbos, yeah? So if the tanur is already tach, means, so then we're not afraid of what? Of storing, yeah? Because we know the minute he opens it, so then the wind will come and it's going to burn the food. And the food is going to lose it. So that's why, if it's closed complete, we mat it. And the second heter, by meat gdi and a chicken, yeah? That since it's cut to pieces, we're also not afraid that it's going to open it. Why? Because the minute you open it, you're going to store it, you're going to try to play it, it's going to burn the meat, the chicken, yeah? And that's why we're not afraid. You're allowed to put it even mamish before Shabbos and Tzala. But all this, the heter, it's only when it's on top of what? Gechalim mamash, yeah? No, means only on the oven. But if it's in mamish on the gechalim, that heter, mamish on the coals himself, over there we didn't say the heter. That's the mechaber. No. The RAMA says no. The RAMA says the time of the heter betanu, if you had, close it, yeah? So over there is a heker. So why you close it? Yeah? Not because you're going to lose the food, because it's a heker. The minute you sealed it, it's a heker. So mele like that. The meat of gdi and off, that it's cut to pieces. So the RAMA is maker. Yeah? When it's closed complete, because we're not afraid that it's going to open it. But if the fire is open, it's black and white. If the fire is open, then we say what? It's always awesome. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's meat or chicken or... Now, b'di'evet, what happens b'di'evet? B'di'evet, l'choyro, we can be maker. It says in the Halacha, you can be maker like so. If it's closed complete, even though even though it was cooked a little bit. Why? Since it's a heker, we're not afraid of chitui b'gechol. And I want to wish everyone a good day today. The Bible will continue the next halacha, cooking onion or egg, also when it's allowed, when it's not allowed. Okay? Wish everyone